Hello there, my name is Chris Gamble, and this is my first episode of how to use Microsoft Teams. It's a program that I've been using for the last 3 weeks and have learned a fair bit about, but I wanted to encapsulate some of that knowledge and share it with others that may be struggling and offer it as an alternative for some other platforms that people are dabbling in right now. Microsoft Teams is an excellent program, part of the Office 365 suite. It allows for video conferencing, classroom environments, virtual classroom environments, and can do all kinds of other things because it works in tandem with all of the other Microsoft goodies that you can get in Office 365, like Forms. It works with OneNote, Word, Excel, anything Microsoft basically works with Teams. So without further ado, I'm just going to show you how to get into Teams. So just open up any browser, type in office.com. You can see that I've been there before. So you click on that. You'll get a prompt that asks you to authenticate yourself, a username and password. So mine is my first initial last name at ist21.mb.ca, and in our school division, you simply use your password that you've been given to log onto your computer. Now, you'll notice on mine that Teams appears right here, right off the get-go. There are other ways to get to it. If it doesn't appear in the first chunk of apps that are here, you can click on All Apps, and it will appear somewhere towards the bottom. My best guess is that the more you use something, the more it gets sent up to the top. So that's one of the things. The other way to navigate towards it is to click on this. It's called the App Launcher. Its nickname is the Waffle because it kind of looks like a waffle. If you click on the waffle, it'll open up other apps. So if you're on any other screen, for instance, Class Notebook or something like that, and you click on the waffle, it'll open up your options, things that you can move to. So I'm going to open up Teams. And you'll see the teams that I have set up. Give it a second. Now this is the web-based version of Teams, and in my Teams environment I have a principals group that meets, I have my school group that meets, and I set up an alternative group called the water cooler, and in the next episode I'll show you how to set those things up. But because this episode was just on the how to get in part, you're in, and that's it. So I'm going to stop this lesson short here and start the next one inside Teams itself.